Today, we're diving into one of the hottest buzzwords of the decade, the metaverse. What is it? How does it work? And most importantly, how does it affect you? Whether you're hearing about the metaverse for the first time, or you've been curious but confused, this video will break it all down. From virtual reality and digital assets to how it might change your daily life, I've got you covered. So buckle up, because we're about to explore a whole new digital universe. What exactly is the metaverse? Let's start with the basics. What is the metaverse? At its core, the metaverse is a collective virtual space where people can interact, work, play, and even build their own worlds. Think of it as the next evolution of the internet, but in 3D. You've probably already seen elements of the metaverse in action. Popular games like Fortnite or Roblox are early examples, but the real metaverse goes beyond gaming. It's a fully immersive experience where you can attend virtual concerts, shop in digital malls, collaborate with co-workers, and even buy property, all without leaving your home. How does the metaverse work? Now, you're probably wondering, how does this all actually work? The metaverse combines several key technologies to create its magic. Virtual reality (VR), fully immersive experiences where you feel like you're inside a digital world. Augmented reality (AR) adds virtual elements to the real world, like Pokemon Go. Blockchain technology. This powers the economy of the metaverse, enabling digital ownership of assets like NFTs and virtual real estate. Artificial intelligence (AI). AI brings the metaverse to life by creating realistic avatars, environments, and interactions. 5G and beyond, high-speed internet is crucial for the seamless experience the metaverse promises. Now, let's get to the fun part. What does the metaverse mean for you? It's not just for gamers or tech enthusiasts, it's for everyone. Here's how it could affect your life in the near future. Workplace revolution. The metaverse could redefine remote work. Imagine attending meetings as a 3D avatar, collaborating with co-workers in virtual offices, or even designing projects in real time. Companies like Meta and Microsoft are already building platforms like Horizon Workrooms and Mesh for teams. Social connections. The metaverse will take online interaction to a whole new level. You'll be able to hang out with friends, attend virtual parties, or explore digital worlds together, no matter where you are physically. Shopping and fashion. Brands are starting to create virtual stores where you can try on outfits using your avatar before buying them, both in the virtual world and real life. Gucci and Nike are already dipping their toes into this space. Education and training. Schools and universities might hold classes in virtual environments. Imagine learning about ancient history while walking through a virtual simulation of Rome, or practicing surgery in a digital operating room. Entertainment. From live concerts to sports games, entertainment in the metaverse is going to be interactive and immersive. Platforms like Decentraland and VRChat are already hosting events where you can be more than just a spectator. Like any big innovation, the metaverse brings both opportunities and challenges. Opportunities. For creators, this is a golden age. From designing virtual environments to crafting digital goods like NFTs, there are endless ways to monetize your skills. For businesses, the metaverse opens up new markets and advertising opportunities. Brands can interact directly with customers in ways never seen before. Challenges. Privacy concerns. The metaverse will collect enormous amounts of personal data. Who owns that data, and how will it be protected? Accessibility. Not everyone has access to the technology needed to enter the metaverse, like VR headsets or fast internet. Regulation. Governments and organizations are still figuring out how to regulate digital economies and spaces. Excited about the metaverse and want to get involved? Here are a few steps you can take today. Explore early platforms. Check out existing metaverse-like platforms such as Decentraland, Roblox, or the sandbox. These will give you a taste of what's to come. Invest in digital real estate. Platforms like the Sandbox allow you to buy virtual property. Yes, it's a thing and it's growing fast. Start creating. Whether it's designing NFTs, building virtual spaces, or creating digital fashion, this is the perfect time to get creative. Stay informed. Follow updates about metaverse developments. Technology is moving fast, and staying ahead of the curve will put you at an advantage. The metaverse is more than just a buzzword, it's a vision of the future. Whether it's reshaping how we work, play, or connect, the metaverse will play a significant role in our lives in the years to come. What excites you the most about the metaverse? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.